ClickOnCare.com.
Today I'm going to present you the Bellissa Lite Cleanser. It is an unique skin lightening and brightening cleanser that promotes youthful, healthy and glowing skin. Now I'm going to tell you about the uses. It removes dirt, oil and dead skin cells. It promotes youthful and glowing skin. It promotes freshness to the skin and is suitable for all skin types. I'll tell you how you will use the product. Squeeze the required quantity of Bellissa Lite Cleanser on the palm to work up the lather and gently massage on your face and neck in an upward circular motion. Leave it for 60 seconds and rinse off with clear water and pat dry. You can use this product twice daily as directed by the physician. This product is marketed by Bellissa and it contains 60 grams.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and